Selling online can be challenging sometimes, especially if you're newly trying to bring your business to the internet to increase sales. You have to start dealing with intense competition. You have to start, trying to build customers' trust and, connecting with customers. Now, in this video, I'm going to share a few tips with you that can help you face those challenges and also put you on track to start making sales. Tip number one is to choose the right platform. Yeah, there are so many social media platforms that you can sign up on and start promoting your product here and there. But if you want to, maximize sales, if you want to increase sales, one of the first thing you need to do is to choose a platform where many of your customers use. Tip number two is to be available. Right? What this means is you should have a medium at which your prospective customers can reach out to you so that they can ask questions about your product and stuff like that. This is going to build trust and increase customer connection. And one thing I see most vendors do is that they say no to DMs. And if you're saying no to DMs, what other model are you creating that customers can reach out to you and ask those questions that they have about your product? If you're not going to be available to attend to their DMs, you can also put a link to your WhatsApp on your bio and ask them to reach out to you via WhatsApp. Rather than saying no DMs and no means to connect with you, they will just go and buy from your competitors. Tip number three is to make use of search engine. Make sure whatever platform you're using to promote these products are optimized. Use search engines to optimize. Use keywords to optimize your page. Make sure your page is properly optimized. This is going to increase visibility for you. Whenever customers go to search keywords related to your product, you pop up and it can help you increase sales. I hope these tips help you. In my next video, I'll be exposing some things that you are doing that might be depriving you of making sales on the internet. For now, like this video, click on the plus sign, follow for more free sales and marketing tips. I will see you in my next video.